Ever wondered if your Chevy Traverse seats are silently ruining your ride? The wrong seat covers can wreck comfort, style, and even resale value. Today, I'm going to reveal the best seat covers for Chevy Traverse that transform your car instantly, protect every inch, and look incredible. You won't believe how easy this upgrade is. Don't miss out. So check the link in the description for exclusive deals. Let's start. Number 5. GIYOUL car seat covers for Chevy Traverse deliver premium comfort, style, and protection in one complete package. Custom fit for 2009 to 2026 Traverse models, these 7-seat full sets feature luxurious PU leather, high rebound sponge, and ergonomic lumbar support to reduce driving fatigue. Fully waterproof and pet-friendly, they protect your interior from spills, wear, and tear. Anti-slip backing, durable hooks, and convenient storage pockets keep everything secure and organized, while elastic sides ensure a snug fit without interfering with airbags or seatbelts. Easy to install and maintain, these covers elevate both safety and interior aesthetics instantly. Number 4. FASSME seat covers for Chevrolet Traverse 2009 to 2025 deliver unmatched luxury and protection for your 7-seat SUV. Made with premium Napa leather, these custom-fit covers offer ergonomic 3D lumbar support that hugs your original seats perfectly, maintaining factory comfort while upgrading style. Designed with safety in mind, they allow full airbag deployment, seatbelt use, and heated seat compatibility. The anti-slip silicone backing keeps everything in place, while the waterproof, scratch-resistant, and color-fast surface handles spills effortlessly. Installation is simple. No tools required. Done in 20 minutes. Enjoy durable, elegant, and worry-free protection for every family ride. Number 3. Coverland custom fit car seat covers for Chevy Traverse deliver premium protection and comfort with their luxurious faux leather construction and built-in memory foam, ensuring superior lumbar support for long drives. Specifically designed for 2009 to 2025 Chevy Traverse, these custom-fit covers provide full coverage, safeguarding your seats from stains, spills, scratches, and everyday wear. Airbag and seatbelt compatible, they maintain all safety features while enhancing style. Breathable, water-resistant, and scratch-proof, they're easy to clean and install without tools. With a 10-year warranty, these durable, stylish seat covers offer ultimate interior protection and long-lasting value for your Traverse. Number 2. RAWAKORW seat covers for Chevy Traverse 2018 to 2026 deliver a premium upgrade for your vehicle with a perfect custom fit for all 5 seats. Crafted from high-quality faux leather, these covers are scratch-resistant, waterproof, and built to last, while the soft foam filling ensures maximum comfort during every drive. Their breathable, perforated design enhances ventilation for all seasons, keeping you cool in summer and cozy in winter. Designed for protection, they guard your original seats against spills, pet paws, and daily wear. Quick to install with included hardware, they combine style, durability, and convenience seamlessly. Number 1. EKR Traverse seat covers deliver a luxurious, custom-fit upgrade for your Chevrolet Traverse LLS LT 2018 to 2023 and limited LSLT 2024 with 8-seat 233 layout, crafted from premium, solvent-free leather that's waterproof, breathable, and fade-resistant for long-lasting protection. These full-set covers safeguard against spills, stains, and daily wear while maintaining seatbelt, airbag, and adjustment functionality. Installation is quick, tool-free, guided by easy video instructions. With sleek black leather accented with red piping and a 2-year warranty, these seat covers combine style, safety, and durability, transforming your SUV interior instantly.